this is Campfire HB29. Today we're doing sneezing challenge. And basically, so my last video got 104 views for this. I mean, views isn't exactly likes and subscribers, but I mean, it's good considering 12 subscribers. But this is a new channel, and first subscriber gets a video to their liking and
a
send
shout
them
out.
a chocolate bar of their choice. Not expensive, like Dairy Milk or something. Yeah, but a big bar. Yeah.
Yeah, not like a one in America, £500.
You need. I mean, tell us your address. We'll make sure it's
You have to live-
refrigerated.
You have to live in Milton Keynes,
Yeah, we're not sending it to like
New York.
Scotland. Yeah. So basically, okay. You can make the other person laugh with their sneeze. That sounded like a go. Oh, go.
Achoo!
Yeah, that really made me laugh. Please subscribe.